In today's video, I am at David Christopher's in Atlanta Market. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here. My name is Ramon and I am at the Atlanta Market at David Christopher's. I have some people that are going to be popping up at any moment now for you guys to say hello to Jen and David from David Christopher's. You guys, we're so excited to be here at the David Christopher showroom in Atlanta, Georgia during the Market 2023. It has been such a great show and I'm super excited to bring you some excitement and some news. I've been giving you guys hints, and so has Jen and David on their YouTube channel and then also on their Instagram and Facebook. By the way, if you do not follow these guys on Instagram and Facebook, go follow them and also be sure to check out their YouTube channel here on YouTube. But this is Jen. I'm sure you guys know who these are. Jen and David from David Christopher's. And we have some exciting news. You want to tell them, Jen?
Yes, so we are excited to collaborate. So David Christopher's and Ramon at Home is going to be doing a collaboration the entire holiday season, bringing you content using our products. So David and I make videos usually once a week because that's all we have time for. But as you all know and love Ramon, he makes great content, multiple videos a week, and he is going to be showing you how to use our products in your trees, your swags, your wreaths, your garlands, your centerpieces, all the things.
Everything that we do in Christmas. Now, David, will you tell us why it's such an exciting time for us to be collaborating this holiday season?
Oh yeah, I'm really excited because one, we have so many great new products that are exclusive products to David Christopher's, and Ramon's going to get to show you how to use those differently than the way I get to use those. So I'm going to show you videos, and Ramon's also going to show you different ways to use the same product. So we're really excited about giving you lots and lots of different options to use your creativity and get your holiday season started.
Our main goal is to really just show you guys even more ways on how you can decorate your home, how to decorate your Christmas trees, which if you've been following David Christopher's, you guys know that David is a master at his craft and we all have learned from him. But now we're going to be showing you twice as much content because Jen and David do run a business and this is what I do for a living. Then we have partnered together so that I can produce content using their products, and not only that, but we have a surprise for you. Jen, you want to tell us about the surprise?
So if you go to shopdavidchristopher's.com and enter promo code Ramon10, you're going to save 10% off your entire order through this entire season.
That is not a 5 or 7%, you guys. That is 10% off of all of davidchristopher's.com. So run to their website. I'm going to link it down below along with their social media. And I'm super excited for you guys to get that 10% off because that not only lets you buy more product to decorate, but also to save some money for your holiday gifting and your parties and all that stuff. And I am so excited. I know I'll be using that discount. Yes. So I'm super excited. Now, David, will you tell us how long you've been doing this?
Since I could walk, I think I grew up in these buildings at Market. My grandmother was a wholesale florist and my parents were wholesale florists, so I've kind of just grown up in this business. And you know, when I graduated from high school, I started working for my parents, selling flowers and Christmas decorations and things like that. And then I slowly became involved in the design side, and I just realized it was something I could do. So I thank God that I'm able to have that creativity and do some unusual things, and people seem to like the Christmas trees that we do. So it just kind of grew from there, and then we ended up in an import situation where we design our own products, we import them, and that's where you can find them.
You guys, everything that you see, not only on their website, davidchristopher's.com, but also here in their showroom in their store in Alabama, David himself has designed every single item. That is crazy to me to believe that this guy has time not only to design, to run a retail business, and then also to decorate. But you know what they said? Behind every man, which I like to say, in front of every great man, there is always a great woman. And let me tell you, this girl joined the business, and now there's so much fun to watch on YouTube. I really enjoy tuning in every Saturday, and we are super excited to bring you new content for the holiday season. And I just cannot be more like, now Jen, let us know how you joined the business, because She had a professional career, and then David kind of, go ahead and tell us.
Yeah, so I worked at the University of North Alabama after college graduation in the academic world of advising and career counseling, and so my background is in a master's degree in counseling.
Wow.
But also I have an undergraduate degree in communications and marketing, and so David was wanting to hire someone to help with marketing and public relations and things like that, and he asked me, and we prayed about it for 2 years.
That's a long
Because I did not want to leave my job. I loved my job. It was like my dream job. But I left to join what I call the family crazy of business. And so I've just been here since, trying to support him because I believe in him. He has beautiful work. He's very artistic. He's very creative. And I want to promote that because I think it's awesome. And he's not good at self-promotion at all.
Yeah.
So I try to show the world his gift. And that's what I consider my job, to
Yeah,
get
and
his gift out there.
I think that's what we all have in common, because our main goal is to really inspire you guys and teach you and show you how to create beautiful things, especially this year using all David Christopher items. So I'm super excited. Real quick, I'll tell you a story. When I first met David and Jen, we've been YouTube buddies for now over, I think, 7 years. In 2016 is when I last came to market, and they used to have a showroom down in the Temperance. For all of you who have been to market, you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't been to market, go ahead and get yourself a license and come on down and visit David Christopher's here at market. But they were in the Temperance, which is like in the basement, and we had spent our budget and we were on our way out, but my boss suggested to go watch the Temperance, and so out of the corner of my eye, I spied these beautiful penguins. Now I'm gonna put a B-roll in here, but they're not available anymore. Those were 2016, but there's much more product to show you guys later on. And so I spied the penguins, and we bought that thing. My boss had to put it on his credit card because we were broke at that point. But that's how we met them, and we've been YouTube buddies ever since. And I told myself, one day I'm going to work with these guys, and look at me now. So we're super excited to bring you guys this collaboration. Like we said, I'll repeat myself one more time. You're going to be able to get 10% with the code Ramon10, and that's going to be all linked in the description box below if you visit their website, davidchristopher.com, and that's in all of their product, all throughout their website, not just holiday, but all throughout their website. So how can we find you on social media, Jen?
So yeah, just if we're on Instagram at David Christopher's, we are on Pinterest, David Christopher's. We are on YouTube, of course, and then you're going to put that link there. And then also on Facebook, if you just look up David Christopher's, you're going to find us there. So it's
and I'm going to
easy.
link all of that down below so you guys can run and check them out if you haven't yet. I know a lot of people who watch your guys' video, watches my videos, but there's so many more. They are just now getting to know David and Jen, and we're super excited for this. And there will be more details about the schedule for the videos coming up, and me and David are super excited to get creative. And Jen is going to have to edit all those videos.
Yes.
But she's excited as well.
Oh, yeah,
So we're super excited for all of this. I cannot wait for this season to begin, because I promise you, you will be dazzled this year. I am so excited. Anything else, David, you want to tell the viewers?
No, we're just super excited. I mean, it's a great opportunity for us to be able to put more out there than ever before and show you guys lots and lots of new ideas. And that's, like Ramon said, that's really our goal. We want to inspire people to dream of what they can do, just like Ramon dreamed that one day he could be a YouTuber and doing these kind of things and decorating.
Here we are.
And I dreamed that one day we would be in this building selling products, and you know, it took a long time, but here we are.
You know, I've lived by the motto that anything is possible if you dare to believe. And if you believe you can, I'm always telling you guys that if I can do it, so can you. And now with David Christopher's and with Jen's help, we're going to be able to share with you even more ideas and DIYs and how to decorate your home beautifully this holiday season. All right, well, I'm super excited to get started, so we're gonna get to work. And remember, you can start visiting their website, davidchristopher.com, and get the Ramon 10 discount on a checkout, right? How does that work? Let us know, how does that work?
Yeah, so you just add everything to your cart that you want, click checkout, and it's going to have a little apply promo code. Type in Ramon10, and it's going to automatically apply that discount to the order total.
And I will remind you guys every time that we do a David Christopher's video that you can get your discount, because I want you to take advantage of that opportunity to save more when you are decorating your home this holiday season. And then for all of you wreath makers, swag makers, and people that do this for a business, if you do have a license, come and visit David Christopher's here at the Atlanta market, because you will not regret it. The showroom is absolutely gorgeous, and you will find so many great deals here at the Atlanta market. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back with more surprises coming soon, so stay tuned.